Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Another teakwood dining set, six-seater in oval shaped top and a nice design straight out of the catalog. When I'm saying catalog, let me explain a bit here. What happens is when you go to Google and you check for royal furniture or premium furniture, you'll get hundreds of pictures. In fact, unlimited pictures there where you see the complete setup of carpets and the chandeliers and the French doors and windows and a complete room setup where you see different designs in several colors. These are mostly computer generated images. What we show here in our videos are actual units from those catalog pictures. The one I'm showing you is again a catalog image that is converted to an actual set here. The chair that you see in this set is one of the most liked design of ours, and a lot of clients like this particular design. It is in double carving. When I say double carving, it means it's carved from the front as well as the back of the unit. And the overall design of this chair, if I show you a 360-degree angle, you can see the curves everywhere. The back part is in curve, the legs are in curve. So the design is itself has got quite nice curves everywhere, and that's why probably that's the reason people like it so much. And we have made a lot of dining sets with this particular design. In our units, there is no standard kind of sets like this table and this chair. Any chair can work with the table, and as both of them are in carving, when we match the colors and the fabrics, it tends to look quite similar. Similarly, this dining set and this chair are going in quite a good look together. I'll show you the dining set. Again, a nice design for a dining with two pillar design. When we talk about dinings, there are generally two basic concepts. One with four legs, the other is with pillar design at the bottom. This one has got pillar design. The top can be rectangular, oval, or it could be in round shape, or it could be a square table. That's again the choice part. But the basic design at the bottom is either the four legs or the two pillars as you see here. The pillars can increase accordingly if we have a longer size, so we can get more pillars. This one is a six-seater unit, so size is 6 feet by 4 feet dining top. Coming on to the design of the pillars for this table. A heavy worked unit and nicely carved heavy pillar. It's a strong big pillar, quite thick, and the design you see there, a 360-degree completely carved pillar in teak wood and teak gold paint. And this is the kind of master artisans we have who make so beautiful units that we are exporting globally and also servicing entire India. This one is going to Hyderabad. Anywhere in India you are and you're looking for dining sets, sofa sets, beds, wardrobes, temples, swings, and home decor items like the wall units or the doors, you can contact us. We make everything in carving work. We don't make plain furniture. We make everything in such carving, beautiful carving, because we are artisans. And the normal plain units are for carpenters. They make that kind of stuff. We make artistic work that you see here. The designs are unlimited. From our catalog, from other catalog, from Italy, from Egypt, from Turkey, from Middle East or China design, or from Indonesia. You want something in carving, we can make it for you. You can pick the design, let us know. This is our most liked color across the globe. If you visit our testimonials section on the website, you will see hundreds of pictures there that the clients have sent to us, and only a happy client would send a picture. Even the videos are also posted on YouTube for the feedback. And designs are here on the website arsonwoods.com, and in 550 plus videos that we have on YouTube, actual real sets, not just images copied from the internet. The work is here. I can show you the complete design from all the sides. I can move it, I can touch it, because this is the real thing. The work is displayed in photos, in videos, on the website, on YouTube. And if you want to visit personally, we are open. You can come anytime and we'll be happy to receive you. For any queries, questions, you can let us know. For your feedbacks, comments, I would be happy if you can put in some comments. And if you like our work, please like us. That gives a lot of appreciation, a lot of confidence, and real happiness to the artisans. People who are artists love appreciation more than money. You know that. And the work is here, a six-seater dining set, antique gold paint, teak wood. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.